I would say this probably started like during the hurricane. This truck started ticking. 2017. It's getting really bad because it's getting cold out here. Overfilled it with oil last night, so I gotta change it. Now, check out this thing. This, what the fuck? See this thing? Can I like break the sender? Shouldn't do that. It should stay the other way. Every key cycle. Unless that stepper motor just broke on it, I don't know. From going down and low, it's dancing all over the place. That could be another issue. We're just gonna see our Tech 2 does it. I'll show you the parts I have too. I have a new pan gasket. This is 4-wheel drive, so apparently I have to drop the front differential just a little bit. It seems to be doable though. There's a lot of jack stand mechanics out there who have done the same. Well, it still powers on. Get the wrap around. Oh, break my Chinese Tech 2. Hasn't broken yet. It's gonna restart again. Look. Oh, I got a new module for this thing from China as well. I gotta do that. It might stop that from restarting. Can't even see with the glare. I want to put like some sort of screen in here. Diagnostics. Chinese Tech 2. Light truck, GMC truck, it's a K, powertrain, we get L59, automatic transfer case, I guess so, yeah, automatic, yeah, 4-button selectable, data display, engine data display, let's see what happens. Yeah, I got all these parts though, and let's say oil pressure. Maybe we freaking blew out the goddamn sender. They do go bad though, these fuel senders. They are known. I changed them on freaking every car except for this thing. Look at that seat. We're gonna change that out too. No, it didn't load. I'm just gonna turn this off. All I got is a voltage, engine oil pressure sensor, 4.57 volts. Engine oil level switch, okay, that's the other thing. Oil life remaining. Yeah. That's all we get. Doesn't show oil pressure. I don't know, I have to ask Keith New Level Auto. I have to go call him up. I never called him up. We're gonna go annoy him. No, probably, who the F are you? Yeah, we got the parts though. Let's let that chill over there. Don't slam it on my door. Can't believe we got a Chinese Tech 2. That's just amazing. Show my code. You can break into condo land and steal my snap-ons. Yeah, we gotta drop this freaking I almost feel like doing it now, but I just gotta move all this junk out of the way. Get this shit done by 7 o'clock. We got a new pan gasket. And this O-ring is probably split on it, like everyone else's. The way this thing sounds. Look, it's quiet as a mouse now. People, oh, engine, oh, you're not changing your oil enough. I want to show you how clean this oil is going to be when I do it. Truck's beat up, but one thing for sure is everything else has been done. Yeah, right? It's junk. It's doing that every time in closed loop, man. I hate that. I think my fuel injector is dirty. Yeah, we definitely are over full though. We've got about 7.5 quarts in here. It's high. Maybe that could be causing our high oil pressure. I don't know. I figured it was better than try to get it as close as I can over that thing. That pickup. I might order a sensor though, because that does not write to me that when you turn the key off. Can't you test these things too on the Tech 2? I think you can. What a tool, man. Chinese Tech tool. So, our displayed oil pressure is 78.9 psi with nothing on. Alright. And monitored is 129. So, I would say that you don't have a problem with the instrument cluster. Probably blew out the freaking sender with extra oil. What do you think? I don't know, there it's sending metal everywhere because the engine is blowing up. I don't know. Be putting a short block in this thing in condo land. A week. Yeah, I'd say that's wrong. Look, it's pegged out. I don't know why it just happened. It was going low, and I don't know, maybe all those, I don't know, it bounces around a lot. I don't know, it does have, what, 140 on it or something. Let me go buy one though. And another job for this POS. Yeah, I kind of want to start this right now though. It's a nice day. It's cold as hell in the freaking house, but cool here. Holy shit, that ripped through the foam. We're gonna do this too if we fix the truck, is getting the seat cover, because that is gone to the foam. And yeah, this sucks. This sucks bad. One thing after another on the Bozemobile. New level auto, I think that's for sender most likely, if it's reading that much when the key is off. I don't know. I think it's buzzing. You hear that stepper motor? It's going right. Can't wait to go up. That's interesting though. Alright, done. Tech 2 saved the day. Just saved us some guesswork.